So we are finally in Lekhubu Island, but funny thing is I now have flu. When we came this side I was okay, but along the way I started having blocked nose and I have flu. It's quite warm and a bit windy, but it's a nice weather. But here I am. I'm actually cold and wearing a jacket. So yeah, we'll see on the flip side. So today it's Sunday and I must say I'm quite tired and it's so hot this side. Well, last night we kept on seeing scorpions. We saw so many scorpions and some other creatures that we don't know them. Apparently those creatures, and I was standing, I'm not sure what they're called, but apparently they just bite you on your toes, you know, or just between your toes. Yeah, so I'm going to go have a breakfast, get ready, and today the plan is to go and see the Mahadi adventure. Earlier on I mentioned that it's quite hot this side, so you guys might be wondering, I'm saying that it's hot but I have a sweater on. Well, actually I have a sweater and a jersey on because guys I have flu, you know. When we left yesterday everything was okay, but when we got here it was a bit windy and for some reason my system was not having it. So yeah, that's why I'm wearing this sweater and jersey and this hot weather. And yes, I don't think that I did mention where we are. We are actually in the Lekhubu Island. So I will just give a small tour and see how this place is. But I must tell you, this place is like hardcore wilderness. You know, there are no some fancy toilets, bathrooms, or some fancy what. You know, it's just in the middle of nowhere. You know, it's just the bushes and a lot of creepy crawlers and birds and stuff there. So I know there's some sound that you're coming. Well, the sound is coming from my Munchkins. Yep. So this is what this place looks like. These ones are on the camping site. Okay. As you can see, it's nothing but trees this side, hey? And then when you sleep, the only sounds that you would hear, it's the animals, the birds. And this is, I think, well, in Botswana they call it Mowani or Mowana tree is. I think it's called the baobab tree, something like that. As you can see, it's quite big. And basically, this place, it has a lot of these trees. Yep. So there's really nothing much to see this side. It's just that it's quite a peaceful place, and if you want to rest, some you time without the music, or if you just want to be one with nature, you basically just come here, do some camping, and yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll show you guys through the other side of Lekhubu Island. The other side is quite beautiful, where you can take pics. It's more like a salt pan really, if I'm not mistaken. And I think this is where the race for rhinos in Botswana used to take place. And I think that's about it for now. So this is our campsite. And like I said, it's nothing fancy really. It's just nature and everything on this site. Apparently you are not allowed to use anything. If you need wood, you provide your own wood, or you'll have to go and buy it, because they want to keep this place as natural as possible. So you can look, you can touch, but you cannot break off anything, not even tree branches or anything. Yes, that's one of the major laws. And the nice thing about this place is no music, one with nature. And there's my little one, my 19-month-old, and this is our mini camp. Hi Manzi. Manzi, hi. She's not having it. So this is our little camp, our little tent rather. So we are basically stationed here. Yes. And there's Happy over there. And right there, there's baby number one. So as you can see, making breakfast. And then yeah, we are good to go. And then there's baby number one, my 8-year-old. So Marang has started to get grumpy. I think mainly it's because she hasn't slept yet. She has been up since 6 in the morning. So we're going to pack up and head back home, because baby has got to sleep, or else she'll just continue throwing tantrums. And also next time when you see us, guys, we'll be home. So this is the other side of the campsite. Yeah, it's the side that I was talking about earlier on. That other side was just the campsite, like I said, and then this side is where you can actually take photos and stuff. And right here, it's the salt pan, and actually the whole ground, it has a bit of salt in it. On the other side, it's too much salt, but nonetheless, it has a lot of salt. And how beautiful is this? Gosh, I love it. I love it so much. Yes. So yeah, this is the other side of the salt pan. Oh guys, I'm so sorry. I know that my voice is that's horrible. I can't sing to save my life, but yeah, this is the whole. This thing actually, you know what? It is so big. I don't even know where it ends, but yeah, we are still exploring again. Hopefully, we'll just see the whole part of it, but obviously not today. Next time. So it's roughly 3:30 by now, and we're only just coming in right now. So I'm so tired. I don't ever want to eat. The only thing that's on my mind right now is take a bath and take a nap. So I'm just so tired. And can I just say that going camping with a toddler, oh Lord have mercy. It's a drag. I won't lie. I spent most of the time just running around after her, and she didn't want to take her naps and everything. I guess she was just too excited. So anyway, I'm wrapping the video right now, so it's a wrap. So please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, hit the notification button so that you can catch my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.